Adam out there in his natural environment. Oh, let's see if I can get closer. He's out foraging, but what's he looking for? Hopefully he doesn't spot me. Oh, I've been spotted.
Got our little babbling brook here. Get it? Because we're Brookside, babbling brook, Brookside. All right, challenge for everybody watching the video. What's the loudest that you can yell? You know, I'm not a lion, I'm just a person. That's the spirit. Got all our rock here. Demoed the dry, or what would you call it? Yeah, dry creek bed. Turn it into a wet creek bed. Going into final cleanup mode, so I'll show you what happens here. All right, so back over there we've got the waterfall. It's about a 6-foot stream, about 2.5 feet elevation, drops down, and then basically we've got a 20-foot stream, which at this point is now acting more like a pond, because down here we created a negative edge intake base, so the water flows out of this ponding area into this basin. And that is where we will get our water storage, so that our client will be able to turn it on and off without it overflowing. And that was the problem. That was the problem with my original design. But hey, we knew what to do. Should have planned on it the first time, but we got it taken care of. So that's a wrap on this one. Close out with the B-roll. Doing one of our favorite things. We're building a pond. So this is going to be a 7x10 ecosystem pond. We've got all the bells and whistles on this one. We got water plants. We got a fish cave. What do we got? We got lights, ion gen, auto doser. Plus, we're going to do a little bit of landscaping around the berm. So I will show you what we got here. All right, so here's our first shelf cut in for our pond. It's a little bigger than what the actual pond will be, but we're giving ourselves a little extra room. One of the things that we want to try to do this year is get a couple more display features in the ground, so that people can visualize water features in their own backyard living space. Sometimes it's hard to imagine what you can do in your backyard, but if you have somewhere you can look at it and get it, help visualize and picture it in your backyard, it's a great thing for that.
Whoa! That's crazy! Yeah, we gotta mess with the ball valves, but it works. Right now we're installing a synthetic turf lawn and some plaza pavers to make a nice little backyard area here. So kind of dirty right now, but we're gonna make it look pretty.
continuing demolition of the existing patio in the backyard. As you can see, we've got the deck, the back porch torn apart. You know, take the wood, get it out of there. Get it out of there.
Get the wood out.
Wood's all gone.
Awesome patio! Woo!
Look at all this. Look at all this. Mega Arbel, Rio, sort of like a light, I would say more of a dark gray, but Mega Arbel, Rio pavers, a neat fire pit, Weston Stone Universal blocks, untumbled, the nice sharp edges, Avalon slate charcoal border, River Rock border. Got our fence over here that Jack is putting the final screws into, and then our Melvin stone. I believe this is Melvin stone. If not, please put the right block in there. With charcoal caps. Got the little pattern in there, and then the I don't know, Bellegarde landing steps treads. So finished another beautiful patio with a fire pit, with, you know, a little privacy fence. Awesome place to hang out. Customers gonna love it.
We're gonna start on part 3 of this project, which is going to be the paver patio and walkways. So I'll show you here. We've got our circle painted out. So we've got a 16-foot patio. We're gonna have a little stub walkway there, another stubbed walkway here, and then coming from that walkway, we're not sure exactly artistically how we're gonna do this, but basically everything's gonna tie together somewhere in this area, and then we're gonna have another pathway that connects those steps out there to those wooden steps.
To show you what we got going on. So this is mostly a full backyard landscape install with a water feature, flagstone path. There's going to be a little paver patio for a barbecue area. The only thing that we didn't do is, well, we removed most all of the grass, but we left a remaining portion of the grass, and that is what is going to stay put. That's the only thing we're not touching, but we're completely working our way around all of that.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that that quick little collection of our fun projects that really help enhance your outdoor living. So if you think those are sweet and you want to see those in your backyard, go ahead and give us a call. Comment on this video. I don't know, email us, whatever. We've got a form you can complete on our website. If you want to continue seeing our fun projects, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to stay, oh, and then hit that little bell, stay up to date on all of our projects. Anyway, enjoy, guys.